My name is Aleksei Chernulich. I'm an assistant professor of economics at Durham University, and I'm a research fellow at the Institute of Advanced Studies from April to November 2024. I work on different topics, and that include the projects in game theory, economics of education and forecasting, and expectation formation. Why economics? I find it fascinating how economics allows us to study all the different forces that affect the decision-making of economic agents. In physics, we have gravity, electromagnetism, strong and weak nuclear forces. In economics, we have psychological forces, monetary forces, strategic forces, and many more. So it's very interesting how all those forces affect the decision-making of billions of people and organizations every day and define their decisions on where to do groceries, what school to attend, which candidate to vote for. Let me give you an example of my current research. Currently, I work on the topics on economics of education that relate to peer facts. What is a good school? What if students, and their parents even more so, seek good peers? In this case, it is possible that the students will self-sort seeking positive peer effects. In fact, in our paper with my colleagues Romaga Rio and Daihong Ming, we show that even in a situation where there is no official sorting of students by their academic performance, students can self-sort. In this case, such a self-sorting combined with positive peer effects may generate inequality in education. I will continue my research on economics of education during my fellowship at the Institute of Advanced Studies. Moreover, I plan to interact with my colleagues from all the different disciplines to learn about the new emerging phenomena that could be studied using the machinery of economics.